Indian-American astronaut Sunita Williams and her colleague, astronaut Butch Wilmore, are stuck at the International Space Station, ISS. According to U.S. space agency NASA, the return of the Boeing Starliner spacecraft has been postponed due to multiple technical issues. NASA has decided to conduct additional reviews of the spacecraft's technical problems before permitting its return to ensure the safety of the astronauts. Initially planned to return on June 13th, the astronauts' departure has been postponed several times. The agency has now not given any date for their return.
Sunita Williams was supposed to return to Earth aboard Boeing's Starliner spacecraft. But technical hiccups like helium leaks and propulsion concerns have caused multiple delays. NASA and Boeing are double, triple and quadruple checking every nut and bolt to ensure her safe trip back. But don't worry, Williams and her crewmate Butch Wilmore are far from stranded, though. They have plenty of supplies and are keeping busy with station operations and assisting with the Starliner certification. While it's a bummer not to have them back yet, these rigorous precautions are all about making sure the journey home is as smooth as stargazing on a clear night. Stay optimistic, space fans. Safety first, always.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.